How to find products for TikTok shop. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to find what products to sell in your TikTok shop. So all you have to do is simply go to your TikTok shop or TikTok account, and all I need you to do is go to the three bars menu. That's the upper right corner of your screen, and simply go to Creator Center. And where we will be looking for the products, we'll definitely use TikTok shop for creator. This is where you'll be able to look into products that are trending, best-selling, and top-rated products. So what we can do here, it's either we will be using this informations for the top-rated products, or what TikTok has curated for us from the last 30 days. Those are the top-selling products here at TikTok shop. But another thing that you can do here is you can actually look into the product marketplace. This is where you will be able to look into the details as well, like what products you sell. For example, you have a specific interest, or your TikTok shop is only selling a specific type of product or category. You can definitely look into that here, and you can also look into the best-selling products as well on this page. And aside from that, what you can do is you can actually click on the top rated products, and you'll be able to see a ranking for all the products that are high rates or that has a high rating. You can also look into the trending products. You'll be able to see that here at number 1 is a Lucky Charm. And you can also look into categories as well, whether it's for beauty, personal care, women's wear, menswear, sports. And you'll be able to see as well here, there's a specific ranking from 1 to 10. And 10 upwards that has a lower rating than the 10, or that has a lower ranking than the top 10, is actually not part of the top trending products anymore. But please be mindful that you need to keep looking into all this information, since this may change from time to time, depending on the data that TikTok will get for the next 30 days. So here are the trending products. As I mentioned earlier, there are also a lot of categories at this upper right corner of the screen, just right above, or the one with a drop down button. When you click on it, it will show you all the categories that are available for that specific trending products. So for example, you click on the top rated products, similar to how the trending products is being arranged. It's also ranked from 1 to 10, 1 as the highest, and you'll be able to see here the top selling product is actually for a skincare, and you can actually use these informations or products that you can sell into your TikTok shop, since this is most likely what the people or what the customers are looking for and what they are interested in buying. So here are more of the top rated products. You can look into the shoes, the menswear and underwear. You can look into home supplies, depending on what category you'll look into. Another option here is you can go to bestsellers. Here, this is the informations on what are the best-selling products here on TikTok shop. This is also another way for you to find a product here on TikTok shop, since you'll be able to see that it also ranks from 1 to 10, ranking from 1 as the highest, wherein this would also allow you to earn commissions if you will be promoting or if you will be creating a video for this specific product here. And similar to the other 2 top rated products and trending products, it also has categories that you can filter out. We are currently at all, so this will show us all of the products that are currently bestsellers. And you can look into, for example, you're into shoes, your store is into shoes, you can look into shoes. Or if it's into home supplies, you can look into this category. Or if it's based on gadgets or electronics, you can look into the phones and electronics category as well. There also has fashion, accessories. You can also look into sportswear or sports information, or kitchenware if you're into cooking, or if your TikTok shop is based on selling cooking products or for that can be used in your kitchen. So once you have looked into these products, you can see that there's a add button. You can actually click on it, and once you click on add, it will actually be routed into your manage products wherein you can use this product to create a video later on. You'll be able to see, I'll be showing that to you on where you'll be able to navigate to create videos for promoting this product so that you'll be earning a commission from these products as well. You'll be able to see as well there's the exact pricing or the actual pricing for that product, and there's also the amount for how much you will earn for that product. So you can go to manage products, and this is where you'll be showcasing a product. You click on the red circle and then you can choose what product you will showcase. And when you look into here, you'll be routed into adding info. You need to have a product pitch. You need to set up your selling points. And once done, you can go ahead and click on generate video. When you click on generate video, you will be routed into a page where TikTok has automatically generated, let's say, of 6 or more videos for you to choose from. This is actually an automated video that they generated for you to have it easy, and it's very handy for you to use when creating your video or when you're selling these products for your TikTok shop. Here, so for example, we will be using this. You can click on the squares that actually will provide you another variation of the video that TikTok has generated. Once you've chosen one, just click on post on TikTok and you'll be routed to this page wherein you need to add a product name. And then when you click on add, you just need to click on next. And then you can fill out details like hashtag, adding mentions, or you can add links or the product descriptions so that your customers will know on what the product is or what it offers or how it benefits them. This is very helpful as well, since once you post this is actually a tab or an information for your video wherein they will be able to fill it out, or this is where they will be reading the details about the video that you have. So here, I'm just adding a few details. Since it's for a camping chair, you can put hashtag chair, hashtag camping, hashtag for you page, hashtag best sellers, hashtag best of TikTok, and a lot more. It actually provides you an example as well, or the details on what hashtags you can use. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on post. And there you will now have your video for the camping chair that you can use outdoor. And once this will be posted, you can now earn products. And that's how you find products for your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye!